Hey and welcome to Alpha 1. In this video we are going to run Alpha 1 iBot. It's a free binary option robot that you also can run completely for free. Just use the link you see up there right now, or use the link you find below the video. Also, make sure you use the promo code you find below the video. You get 100% on your first deposit. Okay? And I need to tell you this. Only by using the link you find on this channel will you be able to deposit minimum $100 compared with $250 that is normal. Okay? Also, if you don't use my link, you will not find my robot, because my robot is only linked to me. Okay? So if you don't use my link, you will not find Alpha 1 iBot. So make sure you use my link when you register. Okay? Other than that, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and if you have any question, put them below the video. So let's start up this amazing robot. And just like that, 3 trades, 21 minutes and $1,256 profit. So once again, we made profit with Alpha 1 iBot. You can too, link below the video. So with that, have an amazing day.